Hello guys, this is Vishal and you're watching Vishal Tech. In this video I'm going to show you how you can make your own intro video for your YouTube channel in 3 steps. So I don't want to waste any more of your time. Let's get started. You go to Google Chrome, then you write Clip Maker. Then the first one, pen dot, click here. Now you can see here are some clips for you. These are already made. These are demo for you. You can choose any of this or you can get more. So guys, I just want to show you a demo. I just click on this and open in Clip Maker. It's taking a little bit time because my internet is slow. Sorry guys, it is taking little bit more time. Okay, it's already open. You can see here the video.